Want to pay for your purchase in 4 easy installments? Here's how with Afterpay. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to split your payment into 4 installments using Afterpay, so you can buy now and pay later without stress. Step 1. Open the Afterpay app or visit the website and log into your account. Step 2. Shop as usual and add items to your cart. Step 3. At checkout, select Afterpay as your payment option. Step 4. Afterpay will automatically split your total amount into 4 equal payments due every 2 weeks. Step 5. Confirm your purchase and complete the checkout. Step 6. You'll receive notifications before each payment is due, making it easy to stay on track. Make sure your payment method has enough funds before each installment date to avoid missed payment fees. Have you tried Afterpay installments? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful money guides. Thanks for watching.